One thing I've been really practicing lately is reminding myself that not every disappointment or failure or moment of frustration is an existential crisis. And for me, this is especially hard because I tend to feel things very deeply and to really want things to move towards my ideal life that I have in mind. And so whenever I encounter resistance, at times I can go into this spiral of feeling like I've got to fix everything and go back to the drawing board. And sometimes, most times, the disappointment or failure or lack of continuity toward the goals I'm wanting for myself and the ideals for the relationships that I have, or whatever it may be, are simply just a momentary blip, and it's not indicative of my performance. It's not indicative of the nature of the relationship that I have with somebody. It's just a hiccup, and sometimes we make mistakes, and sometimes we need to just move on from those mistakes and pay attention to them, no doubt, take responsibility of them for sure, but not every single one of them needs to be existential. And so I've done a lot of asking myself recently in those moments, is this an existential crisis or is this a momentary mistake? And I found that to be really helpful. I think we know when we're moving into some kind of existential crisis, if you will, when we're noticing a pattern of mistakes, when we find ourselves running into the same problems and the same mistakes over and over again. This is when we probably know that we need to go back to the drawing board, as it were. But this more than likely is not going to be happening as often as sometimes I like to think that it is. And so this is also why I think that fall being a time for reflection is a really helpful practice to take on, because it helps us to ensure that we're working in reflection into our life so that we know that we don't have to be doing it so intently all the time. And so during this season, I'm spending a little extra time looking through the parts of my life that I feel like I might want to see growth or change in, where I might want to let go of some things and revisit some things. And then my hope is that once I've done that, I can spend the rest of the year just walking out those decisions and seeing where those decisions leave me. So next time you run into some kind of mistake or some kind of hiccup in whatever area of your life, rather than jumping to feeling the need to take it super seriously, if you're like me, it may be helpful to just notice it, acknowledge it, and then say, I'm a human and I'm allowed to make mistakes, and then just keep on moving on and learn as you grow. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Voice Memos from a Therapist. I'm Graham McBride, a licensed professional counselor associate, and I really appreciate you taking the time to listen. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next memo when it comes out, always on Monday mornings. Just a reminder, the content in these podcasts is just my own opinions. They should not be considered therapeutic counsel or advice. And as always, I reserve the right to continue to learn and grow, as I hope that we all are. If you have further questions, feel free to find me on social media at gmc.counseling. This podcast is also available on YouTube if you're more of a video person, along with some longer form content. And finally, if you would like to learn more about what was discussed today, you can find more details in the show notes. As always, I hope you have an amazing day.